Welcome back, traveling creatives. I'm starting a new series featuring hotels I genuinely want to visit, and I'm kicking it off with a Black-owned gym right here in North Carolina, Morehead Manor Bed and Breakfast in Durham. If you love travel with purpose or just want a beautiful stay that feels intentional and full of heart, this one's worth adding to your list. Let me show you around. The first thing that caught my eye was the guest lounge. It's cozy and welcoming, big windows, hardwood floors, curated artwork, and the kind of warmth you just don't get from a chain hotel. You can tell it was designed for real people, not just bookings. Step outside and there's this intimate lounge area with a fire pit, perfect for slow mornings or long talks under the stars. The house itself is a historic colonial-style mansion, originally built in the early 1900s. Today, it's owned and operated by Monica and Daniel Edwards, a Black couple who have poured over 2 decades of love into this space. There are 5 guest rooms. Each one is uniquely styled, from canopied beds to fireplaces and whirlpool tubs. The vibe is warm and slightly old school, like staying in a beautifully kept home, but with all the perks of a boutique hotel. Amenities include fast Wi-Fi, a homemade breakfast every morning, free on-site parking, private bathrooms in every room, robes, fresh flowers, all those little comforts that make a stay feel elevated. They also host events, from weddings to creative retreats. With the greenery, the patio, and the fire pit, it's easy to imagine intimate gatherings happening here with music, food, and good people. Location-wise, you're just minutes from downtown Durham, close to restaurants, the Durham Bull Stadium, museums, and the local art scene. The Google reviews are glowing. People talk about how peaceful it is, how welcoming Monica and Daniel are, and how much they felt at home. So this is Morehead Manor, a stay with history, hospitality, and heart. If you're into supporting Black-owned businesses, or just want something more meaningful than a standard hotel, this one is a great one to book. Thank you for joining. Keep up with my series as I post more hotels that I would love to stay at.